Building on the Yaris Cross's award-winning debut in 2021, Toyota has announced a comprehensive range of upgrades for the 2024 model year. These enhancements address key customer priorities in the B segment, solidifying the Yaris Cross's position as a well-rounded and competitive option. A significant addition is the introduction of the Hybrid 130 powertrain, offering a compelling alternative to the established Hybrid 115 system. This dual hybrid strategy caters to a wider range of buyers. Customers seeking a compact car without sacrificing power can opt for the Hybrid 130, while those prioritizing exceptional fuel economy can stick with the highly efficient Hybrid 115, now renamed for clarity. The Hybrid 130 leverages elements of Toyota's latest fifth-generation hybrid technology, resulting in a 12% increase in total system output to 130 HP, 96 kilowatts. This translates to faster acceleration and a more responsive driving experience, particularly in urban environments and highway overtaking situations. Notably, fuel economy and CO2 emissions remain impressive, highlighting Toyota's commitment to balancing performance with efficiency. The 2024 Yaris Cross prioritizes occupant comfort with a new fully digital instrument cluster. This customizable display provides drivers with clear and easy-to-read information, enhancing the overall driving experience. Additionally, a larger touchscreen multimedia system streamlines in-car entertainment and navigation functions. Toyota has also addressed customer feedback regarding noise levels. The 2024 Yaris Cross benefits from a series of measures to reduce road, wind, and engine noise, bringing it on par with class-leading competitors. The 2024 Yaris Cross embraces the digital age with a completely revamped user experience. The aforementioned digital instrument cluster and a more powerful multimedia system are central to this transformation. The multimedia system boasts cloud-based navigation, faster response times, and a wider range of functionalities. Display sizes have also been significantly upgraded, offering class-leading visibility for both the driver's instrument cluster and the central touchscreen. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota. The Yaris Cross benefits from the latest Toyota Teammate suite of active and passive safety features. This comprehensive package includes the newest generation of Toyota Safety Sense systems, offering a wider range of detection capabilities and improved performance. Notably, these features come standard across the entire Yaris Cross range, unlike some competitors who charge extra or omit them altogether. For those seeking a touch of exclusivity, the 2024 Yaris Cross introduces the Premier Edition. This limited edition top-of-the-range model boasts a premium specification and an eye-catching urban khaki bi-tone paint finish. The exterior is further enhanced by unique 18-inch alloy wheels, while the interior features matching green stitching in accents. With its comprehensive upgrades, the 2024 Yaris Cross aims to solidify its leadership position in the B segment. The introduction of the hybrid 130 powertrain caters to a broader audience, while the focus on comfort, technology, safety, and style further enhances the Yaris Cross's appeal. This well-rounded package positions the 2024 Yaris Cross as a compelling choice for urban driving and weekend adventures alike.